Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating your Postmates delivery account so you can start delivering and earning money with ease. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Download the Postmates driver app. The first step in activating your Postmates delivery account is to download the Postmates driver app on your mobile device. You can find it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app to start the sign-up process. Step 2. Create an account. Once the app is open, tap on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, email address, phone number, and a secure password. Make sure that all information is accurate to avoid complications later. Step 3. Verification. Postmates will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Check your messages, find the code, and input it into the app to verify your number. This step is crucial for ensuring that they can reach you while you're out making deliveries. Step 4. Upload required documents. You will need to upload specific documents to complete your application, such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance if you're using a car. Follow the app's guidelines to ensure that you're uploading the correct documents. Step 5. Background check. After submitting your documents, Postmates will conduct a background check. This process typically takes a few days. Be patient, as this step is essential for maintaining safety and quality within the Postmates community. Step 6. Onboarding process. Once your background check is cleared, you may have the option to participate in an onboarding process. This could include attending a virtual orientation or watching instructional videos about how to use the app and make successful deliveries. Step 7. Start delivering. Congratulations! After completing the previous steps, your account is now activated. You can open the Postmates driver app, log in, and start accepting delivery requests. Make sure to check your settings and preferences so you get the best experience while earning. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide to activate your Postmates delivery account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides to help you on your delivery journey.